In this platform, you have means of enjoying free USDT and start bagging a lot of money for yourself in this 2025 and have a massive income. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is where I give you free tips and updates on how you can earn in crypto and make a lot of money for yourself. So this platform is called staking. So I'll be introducing you to this platform where you can be earning money for yourself. So you can see my dashboard. I have 10 USDT in my wallet and have brokerage wallet 1.50 USDT. This 1.5 USDT is going to be a live withdrawal. It's my earnings from this platform, and I'll be withdrawing it live, and you'll be seeing how I earned and how I withdraw it directly into my trust wallet to see that this platform is legit. All you just have to do is when you click on withdrawal, it takes us to this interface. You can see my USDT have appeared, how much I have in this platform. So I just have to input my address, withdrawal address, the withdrawal amount, my security passwords. Remember your security password once you are registering this platform, because you'll be needing it for your withdrawal. So firstly things first, so we need to get our trust wallet address. So I need to fetch my trust wallet address. So this is my trust wallet. So I just have to copy my address and move back to the platform. So this is the platform. So I just have to input the necessary details that I need for this withdrawal. Once I'm done, I click on confirm and I'm good to go. Within 2 minutes, I'll be getting my money into my trust wallet. So my USDT will be see withdraw success. My USDT will appear or reflect in my trust wallet immediately. So this is what I've earned for myself, 1.5 USDT. So this is my withdrawal for my trust wallet. So we are back to the platform. So let me teach you on how you can earn in this platform. You can earn massively like me in this platform. So these are the plans we have in this platform. They have junior plan of 10 USDT that you'll be earning 15.6%, and that is very massive. So let me teach you on how you can stake in this platform to start earning daily profit. But firstly, you have to recharge in this platform. So this, when you click on recharge, this is the interface. You choose any USDT of your choice. Once you recharge in this platform, you are free to stake any USDT of your choice and start making massive income for yourself 2025. There is a lot of profit you are earning daily in this platform, so you have nothing to worry about, because I have showed you my own earnings and you can start making money for yourself. So once you click on staking, it takes you to this interface. Interface is where you will see on how you can stake and start earning profit. So once you get, this is asset value, and then you come to please enter the pledge amount, add to staking. You enter the amount of USDT that you wish to stake, then please enter the number of days of pledge, that the amount of number of days that you wish to earn in this platform. So it's going to show you per day how much you'll be earning. Like me, I'm earning 15.60%. In 24 hours I'll be earning 1.56 USDT, and in 30 days I'll be earning 46 USDT. So you just click on staking, that's it, and you start earning daily profit in this platform. That's so simple and easy. So quickly, I will also be showing you different rewards in this platform that you can earn for yourself for free. If you want to earn free USDT in this platform, all you just have to do, once you click on reward center, you see 3 people are invited every day, and users with a level of one-time recharge of 50 USD, 500 USDT will be added. You'll be earning 8.80 USDT, and that is for free for you. And once you invite one person every day in level 1 team, you'll be earning 1.88 USDT. So this is free USDT for yourself, and you'll be earning for free. Also, you can earn massively in this platform through referral program. Once you click on referral program, it takes you to this interface. You can see number 1, you acquire your referral link, distribute the link wherever you choose, and reap the financial benefits. What you just have to do is this referral link, once you copy it, you send it to your friends and register with your link. You start earning free USDT for yourself. I hope you find this video very helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more free updates. Bye.